how to drive leads for your business with HubSpot. Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to drive more leads for your business using HubSpot. In this video, I'll show you how to use HubSpot's landing page tool to create high converting landing pages that generate more leads for your business. Now step 1 is to identify your target audience. And once you know who your targeted audience is, you need to create a compelling offer that will entice them to provide their contact information. This could be a free trial, a demo, an ebook, a webinar, or anything else that provides value to your audience. Make sure your offer is clearly stated on your landing page and prominently displayed. Now, step 3 is to design our landing page. So this is our HubSpot dashboard and you have to sign into it for using it first. And now here we have contacts, conversation, marketing, where we have ads, email, landing pages, website, social and SEO. Then we have sales, service, automations and reports. So for creating a landing page, from marketing and landing page. And get started. And then we have to enter the page name, so I'll write leads generator and create page. And here we have templates for our landing page, although they are limited but they are fully customizable. So for today I'm going to choose this one and select template. Now it's time to add content to our website, and this is a landing page for an online event. And as I said before, that we have to entice them to provide us information, and so for that I'm going to create a form asking email and other details from the audience. So what I will do is I will drag this and drop it over here. And then we have to create a new form, and its title will be register now. And then we have to select a form, or I'll go with create new form. The email option is already there, but we have to add another field. So I will choose a property and I'll write first name and another one last name and contact number. You can mark these fields required from here, but I would suggest to keep mobile number as optional. And then this is the button text. Now as we scroll down over here, we have thank you page, and if visitors will submit our form, then they will be redirected to another page or display an inline thank you message. So I will go with thank you message. And here's our thank you message. You can write many more things over here. Once you have designed your landing page, the next step is to publish it, and before that preview your page from here. And before we publish our landing page, there is still one thing left to do, and it is go to settings and enter the page title over here. I'll write sign up form, and down over here we have URL, and you can write your meta description here. Now let's click on publish and publish now. And our landing page is published now, and this is the link to this page. And from here we can view the performance of our landing page once people start viewing our page. And one more thing about HubSpot is optimization. Here HubSpot will scan our page and will recommend what changes we can make for the better SEO. So once you click on scan, HubSpot will calculate the recommendation for this page and it needs to be refreshed. So here are the suggestions from HubSpot for the better SEO of this landing page. So make changes accordingly. And by following these steps, you can use HubSpot's landing page tool to drive more leads for your business. Remember to identify your target audience, create a compelling offer, design a high converting landing page, and collect information. Then use HubSpot's lead manager tool to follow up. With these strategies, you will be well on your way to generating more leads and growing your businesses. Hope you guys find this helpful, and if you have any queries, feel free to ask them in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. I'll surely catch you up in the next one.